In this video, I will show you how to turn off settings restricted by TikTok. First things first, open the TikTok app on your device and click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, click on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu that pops up, click on Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, scroll down and click on Report a Problem. In this section, scroll down and choose Privacy and Safety. From the drop down, again click on Privacy. In the Privacy section, choose the first option. Now scroll down and you can see here it is asking whether the article was helpful or not. So click on No and then select Need More Help and a chat window will open up. Now you should write something like I need to turn off settings restricted to protect my privacy and then click on Submit. Now TikTok support will receive your report and they might fix the issue automatically or they will send you a message like this. So click on it and here you can see the option of restricted mode. Click on it and turn it off.